morning everyone. After being completed all the chapters, today I am going to solve some problems. I will solve one problem from each chapter. The first chapter, that is mensuration. The total surface area, the total surface area of a cube is 150 meters square. Find its lateral surface area and volume. At first, what you should do, before solving any problem, you have to recapitulate formulas. The first thing is whatever is given and how to find and what to find. There are three things that you have to remember. You should have to remember. Whatever are given, what to find and how to find. Whatever is given is total surface area is given 150 meters square. And what to find? You have to find lateral surface area and volume of cube. Now the third is how to find. How to find means lateral surface area is 4a square and volume of a cube is a cube. That means we need age. A. Total surface area, we have to proceed from whatever we have. Total surface area means 6a square and that is 150. A square equal to 150 by 6 is equal to 25. A square equal to 5 square, and what we know, if powers are same then base also same. A is equal to 5. Now one by one, lateral surface area is 4a square. Lateral surface area is nothing but area of 4 face, and each face of a cube is square, and we know that area of square is side square. That is 4 into 5 square, that is 4 into 25, that is 100 meters square. And again volume. Volume is A. That is A is 5. 5 cube means 125 meter cube. The unit of area is meter square and the unit of volume is meter cube. The next problem. Hang on a second. If it is given in a cuboid, area of a face is 50 meters square and height is 5 meters. Find the volume of cuboid. Whatever given, area of face. And what is the shape of face of each cuboid? Cuboid has a rectangular face. And area of face, area of face of a cuboid is equal to 15 meters square. The first thing, whatever we have, whatever is given. However, area of face is rectangular face, and area of rectangle length into breadth is 50 meters square. And what to find? Volume. And volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. We have length into breadth is 15 and height is 5. That is 75 meter cube is the volume of that required cuboid. Hang on a second for the next problem. Cylinder. We have a cylinder, and if it is given base area of a cylinder is let 25 meters square and its height is 10 meters. Find its volume. We don't have to do anything more than the given thing. We have base area of cylinder is 25 meters square, and that is area of base of a cylinder is circular base, that is pi r square, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and pi r square is given 25, and height of cylinder is 10, that is 250 meter cube. Next, now I think you feel easy to solve. The next problem from the chapter linear equation. What is linear equation? Linear equation is a statement of equality. The sum of two positive consecutive integers is 61. Find the integers. Find the integers. How to find? At first, what the given is. We have the sum of two positive consecutive integers. Let the integers be x and x plus 1. Consecutive means one after the first. The first is x, then the other will be x plus 1. And given the sum of two integer is 61, we have to find the value of x only. That is 2x plus 1 equal to 61, 2x equal to 60, x equal to 31, x equal to 30. Then the first integer is 30 and second one is 31. This was the statement that the sum of two positive consecutive integers is 61. 30 plus 31 is 61. Now let back for you. Now the next problem from the chapter probability. Suppose in a bag red ball is equal to 20, yellow ball is equal to 50, and green 25. In a bag there are some balls and the colors are 20 red ball, 15 yellow ball and 25 green ball. And if you draw one ball from the bag without watching it randomly, then find the probability of getting a green ball. What is probability? Probability is nothing but a chance to occur an event. At first, total ball are 25 plus 15, 40 plus 26. And we have to find the probability of getting a green ball. Then the number of green ball is 25. We have to write it in simplest form. 5s are and 5s 12. That is 5 by 12. Similarly, if we draw one ball and what is the probability of that ball is red, then the total ball is again 60 and number of red ball 20. That is 1 by 3. You know what is meaning of 1 by 3? 1 by 3 means if you draw 3 times, you may get 1 times a red ball. May get. It is a chance only. Suppose in a bag there are red ball, yellow ball and green ball. And if it is asked you, if you draw one ball, then what is the probability of that ball? A black ball. Black ball, at first total number of ball is 60. And how many black ball are here? No, any. Then 0. That is, it is not possible to have a black ball from the bag of red, yellow and green ball. So it is impossible. One thing I have told about probability, that the probability of an event is always greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. 0 is impossible event. And 1 means sure event. You may not have probability less than 0 and not greater than 1. It's no more today. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.